What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to reset your screen time passcode if you forgot it here on your iPhone device. Let's say I'm gonna hop into screen time in here and then I wish to change something here. Let's say I wanna toggle this on. It says enter screen time passcode. Let's say that I'm stuck in here. I'm unable to actually get through. I'm trying something here but it's not working and it says one failed passcode attempt. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Two failed passcode attempts. So let's say that I'm unable to get into my phone and I need to get my password in here. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of this issue. But before, consider subscribing to the channel if you find my content useful, as it really helps me out. Thanks guys. Now jumping straight into the very first step in here, in order for us to reset our screen time passcode, we need to close it. Let me just close settings real quick. Hop into settings, scroll down and tap on screen time one more time. Next up, let's simply scroll down and tap on change screen time passcode. Now let's say that you wish to simply change it, or you can also turn it off. In my case, I want to change my screen time passcode in here, but I do not remember my old screen time passcode. Since I do not remember, I'm going to tap here on forgot passcode, which is very simple. Next up, I'm going to type in my email address and then I'm going to tap on OK. Next up, let me quickly type in my password in here. I'm done typing, let me tap on OK. And then once you're done typing in your credentials, it's going to ask you to enter your new screen time passcode, which will be, in my case, for example, 1111. Okay, 1111. There we go. I'm good to go. I've already changed my screen time passcode, and this is how easy you can actually change or remove or reset your screen time passcode to a different one in scenarios where you've accidentally forgot it. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.